Hi, I'm Robert Fry, Chief Economist of Robert Fry Economics LLC and former Senior Economist at DuPont. I'd like to invite you to join me at the new iPBS digital conference taking place online April 27th to 29th. I'll be the keynote speaker for the Leadership and Strategy Summit, a one-day digital conference dedicated to helping manufacturing leaders and rising stars understand how economic trends can impact their strategies for growth. I'll be discussing the outlook for the U.S. economy with emphasis on the manufacturing sector, particularly the bulk processing industries. I'll also do a quick overview of the rest of the global economy. I'll discuss the recovery from the worst recession since the Great Depression and the possible implications of the unprecedented fiscal and monetary stimulus used to promote that recovery. Please join me Tuesday, April 27th at 10 a.m. Central Time. I look forward to seeing you there.